Hello, everyone. Welcome to the math lesson. Today, we're going to have a revision of repeated addition with arrays plus even and odd numbers. First, we will start with the repeated addition. What is an array? As you can see here, the arrays are arranged in rows and columns to make counting and calculating easier. How many muffins do I have here? Let's find first, how many rows do I have? I have 2 rows. In each row, I have 4 muffins. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. Or I can count by column. So I will check each column. How many muffins do I have in each column? So the first column has 2 and the second column has 2. Also 2 and 2, so equals 8. As you see, that arrays speed up counting, so I can count by rows or I can count by columns. The both of ways are having the same sum, the same number of items. The story of Osman Odd and Aishal Even. Osman Odd and Aishal Even were best friends. They did all sorts of things together, riding their bikes, playing games, and going shopping. One day, Osman Odd and Aishal Even went out shopping together. Osman Odd only ever bought items that were odd numbers, and Aishal Even only bought an even number of items. They were so excited about all the amazing treats in the shop that they filled their bags right up. Oh, their bags were so full that when they went outside, they broke and their shopping spilled all over the floor. Can you help Osman Odd and Aishal Even to put their shopping back in the correct bag? Let's see. Now let's see how many objects or items did Odd buy. So let's choose. We have 4 breads, 3 cupcakes, and 6 blocks. So he is odd. That means he bought odd number, which is 3. Now let's see how many items did the Aishal Even buy. Let's see, we have 1 dinosaur, 9 dolls, and 2 strawberries. Of course, he bought 2 strawberries because 2 is an even number. Osman Odd only buys items that have an odd number. Let's count how many color pencil here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have 5 waffles, and we have 10 donuts. So of course he bought 5 waffles because 5 is an odd number. Aishal Even only buys items that have an even number. So we have here 6 crayons, 1 rose, and 3 ice cream. So of course he bought the 6 crayons. Osman Odd bought, what do you think? How many building blocks do we have? So we have here 4 building blocks. We have 2 lollipops, and we have 7 cars. Of course 7 because 7 is an odd number. Now, Asian Even buys only items with an even number. So let's count how many books do we have here. We have 5 books, we have 4 gifts, and we have 3 balloons. Of course, 4 is the right number for even. Now, let's see Osman Odd, he bought how many items? So 1 iPad or 2 toys or 4 marbles balls. So of course he bought 1 iPad because 1 is an odd number. Let's check Asian Even. So did he buy 1 robot or 3 superhero toys, or he bought 8 candies? Of course, not the 1, not the 3. 8 is an even number. And let's check again Osman Odd. Did he buy 2 trains or 9 dolls or 4 socks? So of course not 2, of course not 4. He bought 9 dolls. Now let's see the Aishal Even. He bought What do you think? 7 animals, or 10 donuts, or 3 soldiers toy? Of course, he bought 10 because 10 is an even number. Now let's remember what items went in each bag. So we have Osman Oud, he bought 1 iPad, 3 cupcakes, 5 waffles, 7 cars, and 9 dolls. And Ishal even, he bought 2 strawberries, 4 gifts, 6 crayons, 8 candies, and 10 donuts. And this is the end. I want you now to get your book, please, and open page 154. Let's solve this out. Let's see question number 7. Let's fill in the blanks to describe each array. So let's count first. How many rows did I use here? So I'll count the rows. 1, 2, 3. So I used 3 rows of. I will count how many squares did I use in each row. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I used 4 squares. So in this array, we used 3 rows of 4. Let's check question number 8. Let's count how many rows did we use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 rows of. Let's count how many squares in each row did we use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 rows of 5. Now let's go to the next question. Question number 9. Circle even or odd. We have number 8. So 8 is an even number. So let's circle the even word. Question number 10, we have 13. And as I told you before, we will check the number on the right, which is 3. 3 is an odd number. That means 13 is an odd number. We'll circle the odd word. And the last question is question 11. We have number 10, and 10 is an even number. We circle the even word. And this is it. Thank you and have a nice weekend.